Hello friends, Namaste. I'm Vasanta from VS Gardens. So today I want to share with you part 2 of my garden, and that is the vegetable, what vegetables I am having in my garden. Okay, as I told you before, I am not having so many vegetables now because I have removed all of them, and I want to I want to grow them after in the rainy season. Okay, so here I have this ivy gourd. See here, this ivy gourd is growing healthily. Two plants are there, and I have all five, but two only have survived. And I'm getting so many flowers on it. Okay, so many flowers are coming, and small tiny gourds are also being seen. You can see these will all grow into ivy gourds, and I can harvest about 10 or 15 like that. Okay, I mean, one time 10 will come, sometimes 15 also will come, and some 20, or only 5. So we have to, it will be like this. Okay. And next, all these beds I have prepared. See here, all these beds I am preparing for tomato wing. So in all these I wanted to grow some tomatoes, and next tomato plants in it. And this is the Malabar spinach I am having. Here you can see. Regarding these vegetables, I am telling you this spinach. This is Malabar spinach. I am having 3 of them. Okay, 3 of them, and amaranthus I am already having. I have been telling you again so many times. But what I'll do with all these things is, sometimes if they become like this, then I will put them in the compost bin. Yeah, they are growing very healthily, and these leaves are not suitable for us to do anything. So that's why sometimes I will be putting them in the compost also. So this is how they are growing. And next, this is the long beans. Okay, long beans. So many they are growing here. Small plants are coming up here. You can see long beans are there. Then even this bottle gourd are there. Bottle gourds, I have put all the seeds here, so they are coming up. Then next, all these beds I have prepared only recently only. There's a lot of work I'm doing. Next, what is there here? Sorry. So this is the bottle gourd. So in bottle gourd, actually I was having so many flowers are coming up, and even one bottle gourd is coming. I don't know how far it will grow, but so many buds are coming, flowers are coming for the small plant. Okay, see, so many are coming up. See here, they are coming up. So like this it is. So I think some will grow. Even bottle gourds are there. Some I have put some seeds and all. Next, what I'm having is this brinjal tomatoes, and tomato plants are here. But what I'm doing is I'm going to remove them also. Okay, because we can't grow 2-3 in one container. If they are like this, I mean free from other plants, this plant will grow happily. See here how the growth of it, see, nicely it is growing. It is only 3 months, I think I have purchased this. So it was a small plant, and it's growing healthily because there are no plants, okay, in this container. So here this brinjal plant is growing, and it's having a lot of flowers, and some brinjals are also coming here. So this is how it is. And down also I'm having 2. Okay, 2 of them I'm having. So this is what I'm having. Actually, yeah, even these leaves I can use. This what is this? Drumstick. I have asked some of them. Asked to put in my comment box. Nobody commented on this. This is drumstick leaves, which are very healthy. And one of my subscriber has answered this question. Okay, those are drumstick leaves. Okay, and next, even ajwain is here. I showed you. Ajwain is here, and some here. And next, palak is there. Some here and there it is growing, and that's enough. Okay. So like this it is. Last time I have harvested taro roots and so many others, or other ladies fingers, taro roots. So many I have harvested. But this time, this rainy season, I'm going to try again carrot, beetroot, and all. So let's see, because the last time what happened is, the seeds were not good and I was not able to get anything out of it. No seeds have not come up properly. So that happened, and I was dissatisfied with seeds like. So that's it. Okay then, if you like the video, please press the like button, then share it with your friends, subscribe if you feel that there is a content in it, and next what you have to do is press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos too. Okay then, thank you and bye. Happy gardening. And I want all of you to start little gardening, small gardens like. I'll be very happy if you show me, if you tell me what plants you're growing, how is your garden and all. Okay. Okay then, thank you.